Specialization in Global Business and Innovation. Welcome to the Digital Business Module, Section 2.2. Contents: Implication Wheel Model. Forecasting. The implication wheel is based on three ideas. First, diligent exploration of the future gives a definitive advantage. Second, flexible action and adaptation allow companies to succeed. Third, consequences are not in the short term, so long-term consequences of every decision must be known in advance. This will allow us to change movements and adapt as the VUCA environments demand. To use an implication wheel, there are 4 steps. First, describe the issue, goal, or change that will be studied and put it in the center. Second, a diverse group of stakeholders holds a meeting, as in a focus group, and they are presented the issue or goal that will be studied. Third, they identify the consequences in first, second, third, and fourth order that may happen if the central event effectively happens. Those are the shapes graphed out in connection with the central issue. Fourth, the participants will rate the probability of occurrence and desirability, whether negative or positive, of each implication. Each probability can be written in numbers or colored. According to Joel Barker, a well-developed implication wheel can predict 80 to 90% of the potential implications. Forecasting is the prediction or estimation of a variable in the future. For business models, especially for digital business, understanding forecasting gives the opportunity to take better decisions. Nowadays, there is a huge amount of information that must be processed. Data analysts use specialized software such as R, Python, SPSS, and Stata, among others. For this course purposes, we will address all our efforts to understand a formal method, Deterministic Trend in Time Series. We encourage you to research about other methods such as exponential or moving average. A time series is a sequence of data or observations measured in certain moments and organized chronologically. 4 components can be identified in a time series: the trend component, the seasonal component, the cyclical component, and the random component. Here you can configure your Excel in case there is not a data analysis section in your Excel's data page. This example was done in Windows 11. It is pretty similar in other Windows versions. First, go to your Excel options. Second, select Add-in on the left. Third, on the bottom, look for the Manage option. Fourth, select Add-ins and press Go. Fifth, once you have the second pop-up, select the 2 options, Analysis Tool Pack and Analysis Tool Pack BVA. 6. Click on OK. Once you have the data analysis section in your Excel's data page, you can easily calculate the trend for your data. First, click on Data Analysis. Second, select Regression. Third, select the variable as Y. In the Excel example is the quarterly sales in USD. Fourth, select the period as X. Fifth, if you want to include the labels, click on the checkbox called Labels. The result highlighted in yellow is the long-term trend. To calculate the seasonal trend, there is a more manual process. In the example, we have quarterly data, so you will deduct the first year first quarter from the second year first quarter, the first year second quarter from the second year second quarter, the first year third quarter from the second year third quarter, and so on. If you graph your results, you will see how the main explanation for the sales given by the trend, seasonal, and random plus cyclical components is not very significant in this specific example. When forecasting, it's important to be aware of the component to predict the future behavior of any variable in the business. In this module, we learned about The importance of decision making in digital business. The implications of decisions. Methods to take better decisions in digital business. The implication wheel model and forecasting methods.
Universidad Santo Tomás, institución vigilada por el Ministerio de Educación Nacional.